Hi, this is James again with JJ Media. Today I'm bringing you a different video. Many of you know that I am a preacher and I believe in ministry and I believe in really helping out people. But today I'm bringing you a video specifically trying to fundraise for some missionaries. These missionaries are ones that live frugal and believe in really spreading the gospel of Christ. These missionaries are their mission is in Hungary, Budapest, Hungary, and actually recently my wife and I was over there and was sharing some time with them and being with them and kind of trying to share their burdens with them. We pray for them, their name is Ed and Heather Durham, and they are in Budapest, Hungary. And at the time of this recording, they actually had to come home for a death in the family. But I believe in missions and I believe in spreading the gospel of Christ. So I want to show you some things that we are doing to try to help spread the gospel with their mission and in fact, I will direct you to a page that you can kind of watch the video of us spending time with them. So I'm going to go to the computer. I'm going to show you the page, and I ask for you to number one, subscribe to the channel, share with your friends, and then go below, and I'm asking you to click on the links to them, and then click on the link of what we are trying to do to support them. So let's go to the computer and we'll show you what we are doing. Thank you for taking the time to watch my video. Make sure you subscribe, and if you are a church, ministry, or nonprofit organization, I would like to talk to you because I can help you maximize your marketing efforts. We thank you again for watching this video, and we hope these tips, these helps, do help your organization or small business. Be sure to subscribe. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure you smash that subscribe button, and we really want to connect with you. Hit the subscribe button, share this with your friends on social media, and then below in the description, connect with us on our social media channels. We have affiliate links that you can sign up with and purchase products. We also have email lists that you can sign up with, but most of all, subscribe, connect with us on our YouTube channel. So if you have any desires that you would like to see, any tech, any product reviews that you would like, please comment below. Every comment that is below, we give a free download or free video intro or something. Everyone that comments gets something free. So comment below. Thank you for watching this video, and we will get back video. Okay, I actually have this set up on my own website, JJ Media, and I have a video of me, and I explain, just explaining what we're doing. And one of the things, in fact, I'll just talk about it here, this statement, it is what it is. It is what it is. That is one of the things that happened while we were over visiting them in Hungary. They had some vehicle trouble, and there were several things that just went wrong. And we just started saying, it is what it is. and missionaries deal with situations that we never know. But what I'm asking you to do is click on the link in the description, but it's jjmediaonline.net/missionary/support. Buy a t-shirt, or the link is in the description. But I'm doing this. I also have their website link in the description too. But what we're doing is selling t-shirts, and I have a couple different slogans. I am a believer, but I tossed in for I know the thoughts for you. But I went with it is what it is, and everyone that purchases the t-shirt, a portion, we're giving 75% of all sales. 75% of all sales to missions, and we are specifically looking at the Eastern Europe region. That's where we were. And as you go to the different pages, here's different styles, and then I do have some. The Lord is my shepherd; I shall not want. Different scriptures. Then it is what it is. I keep designing different ones. And it's a missionary thing. It's a design I came up with. It's not the greatest, but you can actually, there's men, women, accessories. Let's kind of go to accessories and then go back, just showing you what you can get. It is what it is. There you go. You can get a coffee mug, and we did mark the price up a little bit so we could really get some money to the missionaries and help them out. Also, let's see, women's, I don't know, new apparel. Let's go back to men. But just wanted you to see this, and I'm asking you to go below, click the link of the missionary in the description, their website. Go purchase a t-shirt. Everything we get, 75% of it goes to the missionaries. I'm only taking 25%. Probably won't even take that. But we believe in missions, and we want to share the word. Also, make sure that you share this video and share it with your friends. Subscribe. Kind of hit that subscribe button. Just go ahead and subscribe. That way, every time we put a video up, you're notified. And then make sure that you just let everyone know. Connect with us on our social media channels, and we look forward to bringing you the next video. Have a great day, and God bless. Thank you for taking the time to watch my video. Make sure you subscribe, and if you are a church, ministry, or nonprofit organization, I would like to talk to you because I can help you maximize your marketing efforts. We thank you again for watching this video, and we hope these tips, these helps, do help your organization or small business. Be sure to subscribe.